Yes, this is Judith Smith with Atlanta Basement Design. I'm here with Juanita Smith in College Park, and we're at the end of the job. It's May 30th, and I just want to discuss what's gone on since our last video. We had a couple of weeks lost getting the permit issued through South Fulton, which was fine. Now what we're trying to do is to get people to get those permits done before we start the job. And the inspection, he had a few issues on the inspection, and the majority of them were with the platform built in the home theater, which was not built by us, but by our referral to our home theater guy, JD, who we've been referring business to since 2015, and he doesn't work for us, so I was a little, like anxiety out, oh my God, how is this going to go? But he was back within 2 days and got it taken care of, and he's a great guy. Everything was taken care of within a day or two, and no problems there. Everything passed inspection, and the trim got done, and then with the doors, and I tell people this on the front of every job, the door companies are terrible. They're all equally awful, and the reps are all equally awful at the door companies. You email the door order, you check the email, you check the invoice, you have your rep check before they deliver, they still delivered one wrong door. So as soon as the door was delivered, it was 5 days for the correct door to be delivered. That morning, Eduardo picked it up and finished the trim. And so here we are at the end of the trim and so on, and Juanita's brother is painting the basement. Yeah. It's taking him 2 weeks to paint the basement because he's really good, but he's a little slow. But here is the kitchen cabinetry that went in, and all of these cabinets were installed. How much did we pay for the kitchen? I think it was $3,100. $3,100. It was $3,100 for these cabinets, and they were installed for $900. All of these are dead level. And then, Juanita, what is your opinion of the quality of the cabinetry?
I love them. This is the real deal right here. The wood is superb. I mean, you cannot go wrong with this wood. It's sturdy. It's very expensive looking. Like you would find these at Home Depots or Lowe's for triple the price.
It's so really. And then Juanita wanted a 33-inch refrigerator instead of a 30-inch refrigerator, so we had to change the top cabinet. She had 3 within 2 days. Mm-hmm. I mean, it was really good. So I just want to talk to you a little bit about the process of what people can expect, because when people go into basements, you worry that, and I worry when I do renovation, I went 11 days without having who I was going to do the siding on the house I renovated in Roswell. 11 days. No return phone call, no return text, phone was off. So just how has the process of communication been for you throughout the process?
So far as communication, everyone has been dead on it. Anytime I needed to call Judith in the morning, evening, and at night, I got a quick response. And she would send me out corresponding email as well as text message to tell me exactly what day she's coming in, who she's coming in with, what team she's working with, and how long they're going to be. So communication's been outstanding.
And that's all you need is communication, and just to want to do the right thing, just to make sure that people feel that they hired the right person. So this is what you can expect from the kitchen cabinetry. The granite has been templated. She is getting all the granite in this kitchen and on 3 other bars from MC Granite for $36.81 installed. This is her granite choice. She is getting that for $36.81 installed. And then can we just go look at the bathroom? Mm-hmm. All right, I'm just going to take this on the tripod. Okay, and we want to show you. Oh, maybe we'll make another video.